What's up everybody? In this video, we are going to be doing something a little new to the channel because today, we're going to be unboxing some shoes. Had to get the handy dandy multi-tool. So as you can see, I got the red Nike box with iSPA printed on it, which stands for Improvise, Scavenge, Protect, and Adapt. So iSPA is a newer Nike program whose design philosophy is geared towards creating footwear and apparel that is really prioritizing the utility and performance of the product. So in iSPA products, in their shoes and their apparel, I would expect to see a lot of more high-tech materials, things that are more weather resistant, things that will really protect you from the elements. And that design philosophy sounds really intriguing to me because I live in New York City where we don't really have cars and we have to sort of walk out in the elements regardless of if it's raining, snowing, sleeting, if it's windy. So I had to check this out. With that being said, let's go ahead and open the box and take a look at the shoes. So we have this standard tissue paper, and I actually bought these shoes off of StockX, which is a really great website for buying shoes. You know, say it's a hot drop, a really hyped shoe, and you can't find those shoes for retail. StockX is great because it allows you to really bid on the shoe and get the shoe or whatever product it is. They also have streetwear. Get those products for a competitive price. The only downside is that you have to wait for it, sometimes a week, sometimes longer. But yeah, we've got this standard tissue paper. So this is the Nike iSPA React Low in the Summit White colorway. And this shoe came in two other colorways. One was a brown colorway, one was a black colorway. The darker shoes always are more popular, so I was actually able to get this shoe for under retail. I think retail was $160. I got this for $155-ish from StockX after taxes, after shipping. So to get this under retail, you know, a brand new release of a shoe, that's a really great deal. And I particularly like white shoes, so that worked out even better for me. Of course, you got the StockX authenticated tag over here. I know a lot of people have had problems with StockX quality control, giving them fake shoes or worn shoes or used shoes, but I've ordered for them, you know, 2 or 3 times in the last couple of months, and I've had great experience with them every time. So this shoe stood out to me in particular because it's a more futuristic looking shoe. I actually don't really buy these kind of shoes very often. I seem to gravitate more towards the more simple shoes, the more classic silhouettes, like the Adidas Stan Smith or the Air Jordan 1. Probably the most futuristic looking shoe that I've had before this is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2, which has that sort of sock shoe look to it. And this is definitely the most high-tech looking shoe I think I've ever had. I love the striping that goes down the upper of the shoe here. I love the lacing system that sits sort of askew to the side of the shoe. Most shoes have the lacing that goes right down the middle. This is on the side. It's really awesome. I love this sort of tape, Nike branded tape on the side that has iSPA and the swoosh on it. I think that's really awesome. It gives this more of like a deconstructed, this is more like a prototype looking shoe vibe to this. We got hits of blue. You know, the blue swoosh on the side here. We got the blue sock liner on the inside. Oh, the sole is actually black, the insole. I don't know if you can really see that in the camera, but it's a black insole. It just says Improvise, Scavenge, Protect, Adapt in it. You know, we got hits of visible stitching along the lacing system here. You can see that there's stitching underneath the tape actually. But the bread and butter of this particular shoe is, of course, the React midsole and outsole. This is actually a midsole that Nike created to rival Adidas Boost system. So this is supposed to be a really cushiony, comfortable shoe that you should be able to wear for hours and hours without feeling like you have to take the shoes off. So I'm really looking forward to putting this on. I plan to do a more in-depth review of this shoe. I just wanted to give you sort of a quick peek at this shoe as I unboxed it and had reactions to it. I hadn't looked at the shoe before this video, so this is really awesome. I can't wait to wear these. I'm gonna put these shoes on, give you some on-foot looks. So let's get over to that. Thank you all so much for tuning in today with me as I did my very first unboxing video. It was super fun to make. I didn't have a script, I just sort of unboxed the shoes and went along with it and gave you my genuine reaction to the product. I would love to make more content like this in the future where I get some clothes or some shoes and I unbox it and give you my opinion and then sort of give you a look on foot or how it looks on my body. I would love to film more content like that in the future. So if that's something you want to see more from me, let me know in the comment section below what kind of products you'd like me to review or to unbox. And make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, if it gave you some value. Maybe if you're planning on getting these shoes now because you saw it in this video. I know a lot of people aren't reviewing this particular shoe. But let me know if you like this video. I'll make more of this in the future. And make sure to smash the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload brand new content. Anyway, y'all, this is Debonair Gamer. These are the new shoes. Hope you liked the video. I'll catch you in the next one. So until then, good game.